Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to disable lock screen wallpaper services on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, some users may find dynamic lock screen wallpapers distracting or unnecessary. So, disabling wallpaper services can help minimize distractions and maintain a clean and minimalistic lock screen interface. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To initiate the customization process, access the settings on your device. Okay, within the settings menu, locate and select wallpaper and style. So proceed by clicking on change wallpapers. Okay, and scroll through the available options and choose wallpaper services. And within the wallpaper services, explore the available choices and select the None option to remove any existing wallpaper surface. Okay, this action allows you to revert to a basic wallpaper setup without additional services or enhancements. Okay, finally, click on Apply to confirm the changes and apply the selected wallpaper settings to your device home screen and lock screen. And also, this customization ensures a clean and simplified wallpaper display on your device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to disable lock screen wallpaper services on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.